In a world where life moves faster than ever, our passion for nature often takes a backseat. For many urban professionals, the dream of a thriving indoor garden remains just that, a dream, often marred by the harsh realities of busy schedules. In today's fast-paced urban landscape, a common dilemma plagues many. The desire to cultivate lush indoor greenery clashes directly with demanding schedules and a lack of specialized botanical knowledge. For urban professionals and aspiring plant enthusiasts alike, nurturing plants becomes a constant struggle. It's not merely about remembering to water, it's about precisely balancing light, humidity, and airflow. A complex task often leading to frustration and, sadly, recurring plant loss. Each wilted leaf, each faded blossom, represents not just a lost plant, but lost time, wasted effort, and a dashed hope for that calming touch of nature. This pervasive challenge leaves a significant void, transforming the potential joy of an indoor garden into an unexpected source of stress and disappointment. Enter the plant in a box, the smart terrarium, our comprehensive, automated solution. This isn't just a container, it's an intelligent ecosystem. Our unique approach integrates advanced IoT technology, making plant care effortless and precise. Features include automated watering based on real-time soil moisture data, intelligent lighting cycles tailored to plant needs, and active fan control for optimal air circulation and humidity. At its core, an ESP32 microcontroller processes data from VHT22 temperature, humidity and soil moisture sensors, all accessible and controllable via an intuitive mobile application. Simply plug and play, it's designed for seamless integration into any lifestyle. The plant in a box delivers unparalleled peace of mind. Users save approximately 10 minutes of manual watering time daily, reclaiming precious moments. Beyond convenience, our system guarantees optimal conditions, leading to healthier, more vibrant plants and effectively eliminating the stress of plant mortality. It's not just about automation, it's about transforming plant care into a rewarding, effortless experience, enhancing any living or office space with its sleek design. While traditional methods require constant attention, and even vertical hydroponics offer scale, they often fall short on aesthetics, size, and user accessibility. Their complexity and, in the thousands price point make them prohibitive for the average user. Our plant in a box stands apart by seamlessly blending advanced IoT automation with a compact, affordable, and aesthetically superior design, offering unparalleled control directly from your phone. The plant in a box is more than a product, it's a smart solution for the modern plant enthusiast. We invite you to join us in cultivating a greener, more convenient future. Invest in the plant in a box, where technology meets tranquility. Thank you.